Good afternoon, Glenn here. Nice to see you. Just thought I would give you a little tour of our place, my studio. My wife has put in some irises here. We have some allium here. She's planting some dahlias here. That's an old potato peeler. Here's the main property. It's about an acre. That's our home back there. And that's my wife sitting out there on the porch. Here's the studio. It was built in 2012. It's 600 square feet. We run water here into a cistern, collect it off the roof. We have another one at the main house too for the flowers and vegetables and things like that. Sitting on the porch right now is my wife's electric scooter, which she puts around the island on, getting groceries. Here's my motorcycle. I love to ride this thing to Banff, to Canada House for those summer shows. So much fun. So we'll just grab the keys here and head on in. The first thing you might notice is the easel. The brand is Best, I think, and it's 4 feet by 3 feet at the base. It has two 11-foot masts. It has a, right here, it has a boat winch to get things going up and down. It's excellent, really good. Here, as you can see, I've just gessoed a piece. This is the table which I do the gessoing and varnishing on. And there's the front window. Pardon the mess. It's riding season. So I got all the gear on. I gotta get that organized, that's for sure. So there are a couple of pieces here that will be heading up to Banff fairly soon. Mount MacArthur and something from the Selkirks and of course Robson here. But anyway, against this 16-foot back wall are 3 paintings that will be heading up to Canada House. That's my smaller easel in the corner there. Here is my workbench. The first thing I'll show you here is my sketchbook. I use thumbnails to do my sketches. I usually work everything out on canvas. So as you can see here, this is the thumbnail for this piece here. So you can see that. This was another idea I had here. But generally you can see it's just very small and then everything else is worked out on canvas. And returning to the workbench. Yes, I do wear gloves. And we're not product placing here, but here are my brushes of choice. They're the Da Vinci black sables. I do use red sables as well. Also for my small little trees, door frames, window frames, I use these very springy brushes for acrylic painting. They really work well, I find. These Gamblin paints. You can see I've organized things here nicely for you. And my well-organized and very professional palette. Anyway, yeah. Finishing off our tour, we have the one we saw earlier, Highway 99 near Lillooet. And beside that, we have the most recent one, 48 by 72 of Pyramid Mountain near Jasper. And then we head back outside. That's all we have for now. If you ever do decide to stop by, we have a lovely place. We can clear off the motorcycles, put some chairs out, enjoy sitting under this very, very lovely porch roof. There's Mr. Man, and there's Maggie. We hope you all have a good day. Bye-bye.